Time check, it's 6:10 a.m. As usual, andito na naman tayo sa Sumulong, Cloud9 for another Sunday bike ride. Same route tayo today. We'll go to Taktak, then baba tayong BGC Ayala, and then hopefully kaya pa hanggang MOA, then balik Pasig. Happy Sunday everyone! After a week of rain, the sun is shining today. It's a good day to ride. Ito yung bagong Starbucks sa Tipolo. So, di naman tayo nag-Starbucks kasi pang mayaman lang yan. Di tayo mayaman. Morning again. Lang tayo today, pero alam nyo ang gusto ko. Nagke-crave ako sa taho. Naban taho? Gusto mo ng taho? Gusto na ba si Kuya Taho? Okay, kontento muna tayo sa kape natin. Walang taho. Short water break, Pasig, Rotonda, on our way to BGC. 8:30 Forbstown. Ganda ng Nissan, no? Analo. 8:44 Paseo de Rojas, Ayala, Insulaylay. Happy Sunday. 55 Jupiter, Makati Avenue, Pamineri, miss you. 9:25 Macdo, Green Hills. High school days, Shopsville, oh. Asa hindi na yan yung old school na Shopsville. Bago na yan. Macdo, bago pumuntang AMF. Wala nang AMF ngayon, sadly. 30 Connecticut Weekend Market. Malengke ba tayo? Wala tayong dalang pera eh. Pass. We are back here in Pasig. So, nakakomplete tayo ng 64 kilometers today with at 3 hours 27 minutes saddle time. Not sure kung ilang calories yung burn natin, but that's our Sunday. Pahinga na.